G'day guys, and welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Mixup. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you get updated every week when we release these videos. So today is a cracker. We have the Coconut Margarita, which is so delicious. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is have a margarita glass. We're actually going to get a nice salt rim on that first and we'll sit to the side. So you need to get a little bit of fresh lime and just run that around the rim of the glass. And then get a plate with a heap of salt on it and just run the rim around, and it turns out like that. Nice and easy. Grab your shaker, load up with some ice, and we're going to do 30 mils of tequila straight into the shaker. 30 mils of a coconut liqueur. Old mate Tat's not going back on, so we'll just sit like that. So 30 mils of a coconut liqueur, straight into your shaker. We're going to do about 15 mils of fresh lime. Like that. And about 60 mils of coconut water. And the last step, 15 mils of sugar syrup. And then give it a good shake. Get another going. There we go. Now we'll strain that straight into your margarita glass. Last step is a dried piece of lime and a little bit of coconut on top. There you have the coconut margarita. Enjoy.